Math 1, final benchmark number 32. A student scores 88, 73, 81, 75, and 78 on the first 5 science tests of the year. What is the minimum score the student needs to get on the 6th test in order to have a test average of at least 80? All right, so we know that we're looking for an average. When you find an average, you have to add them up and divide by the number you have. All right, so we know we have 5 tests are given, and we know we have a 6th one that we don't know, so we're going to call it X. So let's say 88 plus 73 plus 81 plus 75 plus 78, so that's our 5 test, plus those 6 tests that we don't know yet, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so the average means we have to divide by that number to get the average. And we want the average to be at least 80. All right, so now that we have our equation, we can solve. So anytime I have a fraction, I can get rid of that by multiplying by the denominator. If I do it to this left side, I have to do it to the right side as well. So that's the same as 6 over 1. So that's going to cancel with the denominator and bring all of this down. And we're going to have 80 times 6, which is 480. Now, in order to bring this down, because these are 5 numbers added together, I can go ahead and add these up. So just very quickly add these up, and you're going to get 395 plus, we still don't know what X is. That's what we're solving for. All right, to solve for X, we're going to subtract 395. And X equals what we have left. So 480 minus 395 equals 85. So our answer is 85. And this tells us that we need an 85 on our 6th test in order to average 80 for the 6 altogether. And you can even plug that in and check it. You can use these 5 plus 85, divide that by 6 to check your answer. So the answer to number 32 is D.